stuff in here?
Could have been down here too.
But I know, well, you guys have the 3 gears in the front. I only got the 2.
Well, my road bike only has 2 on it front.
For those about to rock, we salute you! That'll rattle your teeth loose.
Yeah, I want to see it. I want to see it. This is Jeff Pratt. 2 more.
Yeah, Jeff!
Let's go, Pratt.
am on day 0. Finally gonna do an intro, because I may or may not do a series or whole thing just about RAGBRAI, but corn and soybeans. Try that again. Yeah, we got camp all set up. I'll show you that. I'll show you the clips I've already taken, and now I'm getting an intro together. But yeah, here at RAGBRAI, 53rd one. We'll see how she goes. Tomorrow's day 1. Also, I should add that I drove up to Dubuque, Iowa from Mississippi. Met up with Jax from the AT. Stayed at his house last night, and we drove out here with Andy, his nephew, and yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start this thing. Here's the I think all the people that aren't registered. There's a bunch of us here, and yeah, this should be good.